In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS 25-inch dual-blade lawnmower. We have featured an 80-volt lawnmower. Your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble this lawnmower. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. We recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully lift the lawnmower out of the box and set it down. Remove any remaining cardboard and packing material from the handle components. Remove the bag of hardware from the handle. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Assembling the handle. Remove the rubber edge guard on top of the handle arm containing the cable. Remove the protective plastic from the handlebars. Lift the mower into the vertical position. Insert the upper portion of the handle into the lower handle arms. Be careful not to damage the cable. Using the hardware provided, insert the bolts through the holes on each side and secure them with the nuts. Tighten each side with a Phillips head screwdriver. Unfold the handles. Place the mower back down on its wheels. Each side of the handle has a hole near the top. When pulled, they will release the handle so that it can be lifted into operating position. At the same time, pull both handle release holes and unfold the handle. The handle can be locked in at different positions depending on the user height. Make sure that both sides are even. Battery and charger. If you have a tool-only or corded lawnmower, you have completed assembly. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. To learn more about this product, including how to charge the batteries, operation, and general maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.